A while back, Dan swapped out all the bushes and joints for me on the front suspension. Unfortunately, the supplier sent the wrong tuning fork arms, so we couldn't change those. But they've turned up now. So let's go and change them over. Okay, that's the wheel off. Here's the new arm that's got to go on, which has got a ball joint in that end. Okay, so we have ratchet, short extension, 19, 15 and 17mm sockets, and a pair of grips because I haven't got a large spanner for the bolt I'm about to show you. So we'll just cut in and show you what's got to be done. There we go. So that's the main bolt that holds the ball joint of the arm. That bolt holds the lower bracket. If I can get in there, this bolt holds the lower bracket and it also holds the bracket for the anti-roll bar. Need to loosen these two off because this bracket still traps the arm even once you've taken this bolt out. Now, I'll just get up on top here. Now then, let's come back here so we can see what we've got. Right, here's the arm. This subframe here will drop away from the body. This is the body, it's the subframe. That will drop away about ½ an inch, but it won't move any more than that because the rest of the bolts won't let it. Then you've got this end of the arm. I can get down here. There we go. That's the bottom bolt there. Which goes up through your track control arm, and then just bear with me. Up on the top here, there's your top bolt. That's what you need the grips for. Stop that one turning round. Normally you'd use a large spanner. So that's what we've got to do. Beauty of this is I can use the camera to see what I'm doing, which means that you should be able to see what you're doing as well. Okay. Let's have a look and see if that top bolt is turning, which it is. There's the grips. Now then, as I said, really with this you should use a bigger spanner, but I don't have one, so needs must. It's only really holding it against the nylock on the bolt, to be honest with you. So okay, back on this. should now be able to just wiggle the arm around a bit and pull out the bottom bolt. Okay, so now we've got to do, let's see if we can get that positioning, those bolts there. Okay, so it's under here, and we'll put some pressure on it. So, excuse all the grunting and groaning. The left hand side one has already been done. I did that first. Sure, you don't want to see the same thing twice. It's exactly the same the other side. And also trying my best not to hit the camera. Okay, that's that one out. Extension bar onto that. A bit more movement. Right, and it shows you, you can now see that bolt. Hopefully, I'm not quite sure if that's in shot. It is just good. Just need to loosen that one off a touch. Should. There we go. One arm out. That slips back into there. And again, getting that back in can be as troublesome as getting it out. There we go. Right, okay, bit of a struggle, but that's gone in. So we'll get this bolt in here loose. Like so. Okay. started into there. What we'll do, take that a little further. Right. There. There we go. Right. Okay, so we had a little bit of fiddling around getting it to line up, but now it's there. There you go. Right. Now the bolt, or the nut and bolt, that holds the arm to the track control arm. Again, just hold it into the grips. So really it should be a spanner, but I don't have a big enough spanner. And you're only really holding it against the nylock bolt, not against any. Once it grips the arm, once it grips the arm, it holds itself anyway. pull that up by hand. Right, there we have it. A little more tricky than the other side. It didn't want to line up quite as well, but it's on and done. Just got to put the wheel back on. Right, there we go, that's the wheel back on, job all done. All we need to do is get out and test it now. It's really need a nice good long run to really tell if there's any massive improvement. Hopefully that'll be next weekend when we go up to Colchester for the Cars and Coffee at the Porsche dealership. So I'll let you know how it goes. See you later.